Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I am so happy I was able to get another video out for you guys. You know it's been so chaotic around here for me lately. I'm trying to get back on track, but these renovations are absolutely killing me. Anyhow, before I get started with my day, I'm going to get myself ready to tackle my tasks. But even before that, I'm going to take off and sync my Ava bracelet. So I put on my Ava every night before bed. I like to use it because it helps me to better understand my body. Although we aren't trying to conceive, it does provide me with fascinating insights about my health and my cycle. So this includes my resting pulse rate, my breathing rate, physiological stress, and sleep. So for those who are trying to get pregnant, it's going to increase your chances per cycle. It does track 7 physiological parameters to help identify your most fertile days. Now, I like to use it because understanding my cycle provides insight into so many aspects of my health. I get headaches periodically, and Ava has helped me to identify how they are integrated in my cycle. So if you're interested in trying the Ava bracelet, I'll leave the link down below in the description box along with a code for $20 off. Now I'm just about done getting ready. I'm going to head downstairs and get started with my cleaning. Alright guys, so this is what the house looks like so far. It's been pretty slow moving. Like I've mentioned before, we've been doing a lot of traveling over the summer, and I'm really hoping to get into a better routine. There's a lot of stuff still I have to do. That front door is going to get painted this weekend. I am hoping I have the color picked out. It's by Benjamin Moore and it's called Water's Edge. It's kind of like a grayish blue, so that will be out of the way. There's still so much clutter and stuff that needs to be put downstairs and in the places that it belongs. To be honest, it has been so hard to get back into a normal groove around here. I am totally not used to living in chaos, so that's why you guys have not been seeing very many videos. It's really hard to film when you are like living in a messy zone like this with tools and stuff everywhere. So we are really hoping to get a lot done over the next month or so. Hopefully the kitchen will be totally done so that I can start filming some like cooking and like regular cleaning videos in there. Anyhow, you guys will notice I got changed. It was pretty cool downstairs. I had the windows open and the breeze from the lake was coming in, so I put in some cozy pants and a cozy bushy sweater. I love that sweater. I call it my bush sweater. So I put that on for now because it's chilly. So I'm gonna get started with vacuuming. There's a bunch of dirt on the ground that got tracked in, so I'm gonna vacuum that up before I get started with other things. Alright, now that I've gotten all the vacuuming done, the sun has come out and it's warmed up quite a bit. I am taking my sweater off. It's probably because I actually got moving and worked up a sweat. So off comes the sweater, and I'm going to get started with putting away board games in the cabinet here. You guys will see the fireplace is torn apart. That's because we decided to take out the gas fireplace that was in there and we installed a wood burning fireplace. So we're just waiting for the stone to arrive, and then Jeff will be framing in the fireplace and we will be putting on the stone with a new mantle. And then we're also going to put the TV above there as well. So that is a project that I'm hoping to film for you guys and show you guys what we're doing. And then the finished product should look really, really nice. Alright, so now that I've gotten a lot of the toys put away that were over in this area, I'm just going to spray down the cabinets over there with my Method wood cleaner, so I just bring those down and I'm going to wipe them because they're a little bit dusty and there's some kids' fingerprints and stuff over there. Also, lately the boys have been really into playing with their Legos again, which is super great because they're spending hours and hours playing with them, and you guys know how expensive Legos can be, so they're getting, well, I guess I'm getting my money's worth from what I had spent, so I'm really happy they're playing them again. We have purchased a few new Lego sets, and those are, like I said, pretty pricey, so but it's a good hobby for them to have. The Wi-Fi out here is not as great as it was in my other house, but I will tell you guys that we are only planning on being here for a year, max 2 years. I can't see it being 2 years. I'm thinking it's going to be a year. Once this place is renovated, we will be moving from here, and we are hoping to be building a new house. So there's going to be so much going on my channel in the next like 2 years, I would say, but I'm hoping you guys enjoy seeing the changes and what is going on. Even though I feel like my life is upside down lately, the end result will be really good when we build hopefully our final house. We'll see. We do enjoy doing it, but it is also really tough on the kids and on us because everything is disorganized and chaotic. So it would be nice just to settle back into our home and not worry about doing a bunch of renovating and stuff like that. But you never know where life will take you, so never say never. Just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time. I'm also thinking I may need a better Lego organizing system here because right now everything's just kind of dumped into the bins. I may look into sorting them a little bit better because it's kind of hard for them to find their pieces and stuff like that. It's just all messed into the bins, so I may look into Pinterest to see if there's any ideas over there. If you guys have any ideas on how to keep your Legos organized and sorted, feel free to let me know down below in the comments. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. Alrighty, so I'm just going to be cleaning off my coffee table here with my Method wood cleaner. Most of you guys know I do get my cleaning supplies from the Grove Collaborative. I do have their link down below in the description box. You guys can check out their website, and if you use my link, you are entitled to a free gift with a $20 purchase. So now I'm just vacuuming the area under the coffee table because crumbs and dust and stuff gets settled in under there. So now I'm just using my Grove Collaborative floor cleaner. I'm just misting that all over, and I'm using my O Cedar spin mop to wipe that all up. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never seem to be over. I saw, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky. So I'm just wiping down this console table as well. This is not staying here, it's just temporary. The kids put the chairs there. It kind of works for now. It's kind of like a little snack bar. But I haven't really set the furniture where it's actually going to stay. I'll get a better idea of how it's actually going to be once the fireplace is done and all of the clutter is put away.
that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over.
Alright, in this video it's going to totally look like I'm wearing 3 different outfits, but I just got a little bit chilly again. The sun has gone behind the clouds, so I just put on my sweater that I like to just drape over me when I'm doing things. The other one is still a little bit too heavy, so I put this gray one on.
Lucky, 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 I won't let the door hit when I leave.
It is going to look like I'm doing a ton of vacuuming, and it's going to look like I'm vacuuming the same spots over and over again. But this room is really, really big, you guys, and the fact that we are in a renovation zone, it's pretty dusty and there's crud all over the floor and stuff like that. So it needed to be vacuumed a couple of times before it was actually looking clean.
Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky.
So the next couple of minutes of this video is going to be basically me vacuuming with the music in the background. So if you guys have some work to do, go ahead and make sure you guys are cleaning along with me, because now's your chance so you're not lonely and bored when you're cleaning. Definitely get some stuff done. Okay, this is totally getting exhausting. There's a lot of floor to cover here. Now that it's vacuumed, I am washing it with my O-Cedar spin mop and that Grove Collaborative floor spray that I was showing you guys earlier in the video. There is so much floor to cover here that I'm actually considering getting an industrial size mop for this main floor. I don't know how that'll actually work, because I really do love my O-Cedar spin mop, but there's a lot of washing to cover here. I've already wiped this table down once, but I'm having to do it again because the kids came and sat down and had a little bit of a snack. And you guys know what it's like to clean when you have kids around. It is just like going in circles, cleaning the same thing again and again and again. Now I'm just moving the furniture back into place. This is the area where the kids play the most, so the furniture kind of gets displaced a little bit and moved around, so I'm just getting that all fixed up.
Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. got me drugged. Your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now.
So now I'm just going over the windowsills here with my Dyson vacuum. We did leave the window open the other night, and being on the lake, these tiny little, like, I don't know what you call it, they're tiny little flies, like they're almost clear, they're like invisible. They got through the screen and they don't really bother you or anything, they just kind of sit in the windowsill, but they all sat there and they all fried. So I have to vacuum it all up now and wipe the windowsill. Now you guys will notice outside we don't really have any landscaping done out there, so it's not looking like super pretty out there. But that area is where there will be a deck put there, so that probably won't be getting done this year, it'll be getting done next year. And we also have to get register covers because we put in the new flooring and we haven't gotten the baseboard or register covers up yet. Alright guys, so that's about all I'm going to be getting done today. Like I said, it's really tough to be showing you guys everything because I have to unpack and organize and go through and clean all sorts of stuff around here. But I hope you guys liked checking out what we have going on so far. I think it looks good so far. I do have a couple of more updates I've even done since this video, so I do have some more filming to do for you guys. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!
And you're off my